Hey there, WhatsApp users. Are you looking for the best way to transfer your WhatsApp chats from your old iPhone to your new iPhone? Maybe you search for terms like WhatsApp backup, iPhone to iPhone, how to transfer WhatsApp from iPhone to iPhone, or how to back up WhatsApp from iPhone to iPhone. Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you a super easy method that doesn't require iCloud. This method is called Transfer Chats to iPhone. It allows you to move your chat history privately and securely without using iCloud. This is especially helpful if you have limited iCloud storage. On your old iPhone, open WhatsApp and go to Settings, Chats, tap on Transfer Chats to iPhone. This feature lets you move your chat history directly to your new iPhone without needing a prior backup. Now, move to your new iPhone and register it with the same phone number you used on your old device. Once registered, a QR code will appear on your new phone. Go back to your old iPhone and use WhatsApp to scan the QR code displayed on your new phone. This will connect the two devices and start the chat transfer. Keep both phones near each other and unlock during the process. Now, all your chats, photos, and videos from your old device will appear on your new phone. If you encounter any issues, if the transfer gets stuck, or if you want a more flexible method, don't worry. There's a fantastic tool called iMyTrans that can help. iMyTrans is a professional transfer tool designed to seamlessly transfer WhatsApp data from iPhone to iPhone. Plus, you can back up your old data to a computer, so you'll never lose any chats or files again. This is a great alternative if you're looking for ways to transfer WhatsApp from iPhone to iPhone without limitations. Using iMyTrans is incredibly simple. Just download the app on PC, connect the devices, and follow the on-screen instructions. Whether you need to move WhatsApp from Android to iPhone or transfer between iPhones, iMyTrans has you covered. The process is straightforward, safe, and hassle-free. That's it for today's guide. I hope this step-by-step walkthrough helps you transfer your WhatsApp chats effortlessly. If you're also wondering how to transfer WhatsApp from Android to iPhone, stay tuned for more tutorials on that as well.